We're here at the 2013 Zuma, changing the belt and the rear main clutch spring. I finally found a way to take this stock clutch and put it on a board right here. You got to be real careful you don't hurt anything. These are really tough, but you do not want to get them out of shape or anything like that. Now, this, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can get it in the light. Right here is a little blue mark. My fingers are all, don't get old. But there's a blue mark right there, and there's a blue mark right here. What I did was I took this on. It's 39 millimeter. Okay, put it on like this, and to turn it off, to loosen it, you have to go this way with it, with a hammer. And it's real hard to hold on to them, especially if they're virgin and hard to break in, and it's it's really hard. You just gotta bust that nut, and sounds like a damn porno. Sorry about that. I'm too old for that stuff anyway. So I've loosened the nut right here. It's still under a tremendous amount of pressure, but it's loose. Now the spring right here, this spring is pushing up against, if I get this right, this spring is pushing up against this brake, and this is your rear clamshell pulley. So if I were to somehow get that off right now, this whole thing would blow up and go haywire right in my face, which you do not want. That's why I will take the clutch off of here very carefully. What I did, like, I gotta tell you the truth, I went down in my little worthless town. I tried to find a 39 millimeter socket, and they call them an axle socket. See, it's 39 on this end, and it's 32 on this other end. Where'd it go? Right here. I don't know what the 32 is for. So finally I went to 3 different places. They only had a 39 millimeter socket with 1 inch drive, and I need a 1/2 inch. So I figured, well, I'd get a step down and put it on my breaker bar for there, which is over here. I'm just trying to get the job done, and that's one thing about a little town. There's not a lot of action going on. There's not a lot of stress, but as far as buying anything, you damn near have to go out of town, because this place is so quiet and lame. I mean, most people that die in this town are driving their bicycle down the road, like right here, and they fall off their bicycle and die of boredom. That's how bad it is. They still got their Christmas lights up all year. We just got electricity. And the most popular town, the most popular name for children in this town is Fluorine. We named them after the water. It's that bad. So I will unscrew all this, and I will put it in the cage and tighten it up, and then when I do that, I'll be able to unloosen this, and then I'll slowly decompress the clutch, and it will spread out all along here. Okay, and then we can take a look at it, and thank God I got it fixed. I had to order a new socket, which will come in tomorrow, I hope. You go down and you ask these guys, hey, did you have a Phillips screwdriver? Is that metric? No, it's not metric. Thank you. I'm leaving. I'll never come back. That's what I'm dealing with. So all you people in a big town that have all these big giant shops with everything in them, I mean, that's great. But I personally, I like this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all day, all year. This is it. It's not gated community, nothing like that. It's just a street with a few houses and a few people we know and old people like me. And some have little kids. And I work on my bikes right here. I work on my Zuma and I work on my DO. And I like to film things so that, you know, if there's somebody out there in the world, some young guy, young girl, they don't have a father, they don't have an older brother, they don't have anyone to ask. I want to kind of show how things are done little by little. I'm going to use this weight bench when I do it. Anyway, little by little, so that the people can learn, and that's my job as an old man, is to help the youth, the young. So if you like the videos, you know, maybe you could tell some people about it or hit like or whatever they do. I don't know. Hardly ever ask anyone to do that. Anyway, we continue.